Welcome back. In this lesson, we're gonna learn about the count function. First, let's check the state of the employees table on our HR schema. And we can see that the column commission percentage has a number of null values and a number that have an actual value, right? The thing is that the count function counts only the not null values. So if I want to count how many employees in our employees table have a commission, I will do that as following. I will write select count commission percentage from employees. And we can see that function returned number 35, which signifies that 35 employees have commission percentage assigned to them. So number of rows that have a commission percentage populated is 35 in our employees table. The thing is that the count function counts only the not null values when it's looking at a particular column. So if I would try to count all of the rows in our employees table, I would do that as following. Select, again count, and in my brackets, where I input my parameter, I would add just a star, and from employees. So when I execute this query, we can see that the total number of rows in my employees table is 107. A trick question that could come up on the exam regarding the counting of all of the rows in a table is that we can do that with the asterisk or the star, or just by putting in a number 1. So when I execute this query, I would get completely the same result. So a star or number 1 signifies that we want to count all of the rows that are present, including the null values. And important thing to remember is that the count function never can return a null value, because the count can be 0, 1, or more. Another thing that we're gonna learn in this lesson is the distinct keyword. And the distinct keyword returns just the unique values that are present. So, for example, if I want to count all of the first names in my employees table, I will do that as select count first name from employees, right? And we would get that we have 107 first names in our employees table. But what if I want to just check how many unique names there are in my table? I could do that by using the distinct keyword. So I will just write a distinct in front of my parameter in the count function. So when I execute this, we can see that there are 91 unique first names in our employees table. Very nice. This is it for this one, and see you in the next one.